Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today we're going to make a very simple DIY. So for this DIY, you guys are going to need very simple materials, so let's just get started. So first you're going to need a hot glue gun, a bowl, candles, punch ladle, tray, flowers. So first we're going to take our tray. Then we're going to glue the bottom of our bowl to the center of our tray. After gluing the bowl to the center of the tray, we're going to take our punch ladle. We're going to glue the side that hits the bowl and the bottom. We're going to glue it into the bowl. Then we're going to remove the sticker from the candlestick and hot glue the bottom of it to the punch ladle. Like this. Then we're going to remove the tops of our flowers. After removing the tops of each flower, we're going to glue each flower to the side of the bowl and continue up the punch ladle. Then we're going to put a small candle into the candlestick, and then you're done. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed.